In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Form public but not editable. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Begin your process by navigating to the Google Forms website. Open your web browser and type in the address for Google Forms. Once you load the site, you will see the familiar interface that allows you to manage your forms. Whether you have a form already in use or you want to start fresh with a new one, you have the flexibility to choose. If an existing form fits your needs, click to open it. Otherwise, you can opt to create a new form from scratch by selecting the option provided on the home page. This initial step is essential because it establishes the foundation of your form, which you will later secure to prevent alterations. Once you have your form open, the next part of the process focuses on configuring the settings. Look for the settings option, typically represented by a gear icon, which is located toward the top of the page. Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. This area is where you control various aspects of how the form behaves. The settings are divided into several tabs, and you should navigate through these options with care to ensure you secure the right configuration. After entering the settings menu, find and select the section where you can adjust response settings. In this section, you will see an option related to responses. Your objective here is to prevent respondents from making changes to their given answers after submitting the form. This involves disabling any feature that allows response editing. Look for the option labeled in a way that mentions response editing, and simply uncheck the box that allows respondents to change their answers. This step is crucial if you want to ensure that the responses you receive are final and free from alteration once submitted. By unchecking the allow response editing feature, you are effectively making your form public for responses while keeping it secure. This means that while anyone with the link to your form can submit their inputs, none of them will be able to change their responses once the submission is made. This measure safeguards the integrity of your data and simplifies the process of reviewing responses later. Throughout this process, remember that these settings provide a careful balance between ease of access and security. By following these steps precisely and ensuring that the response editing option is disabled, you help maintain the reliability of your data collection efforts. This method is suitable for various scenarios, from academic surveys to business feedback forms, where the authenticity of responses is of utmost importance. Now that you understand each step of making your Google form public while keeping it non-editable, you are ready to apply these settings to your form. Continue exploring the interface for additional customizations if necessary, but by ensuring that you have disabled the response editing option, your form is now secure for collecting authentic responses while prohibiting any modifications post-submission. Enjoy your streamlined Google Forms experience with full confidence that your data remains protected.